Kalki Seva Sangha. Everyday Kalki Seva Sangha volunteers carry out various service activities across hundreds of locations all over the country. Every day we present one such activity. Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada Sangha members took an intent to quench the thirst of people. Sangha members distributed buttermilk to the general public at Kota Vantena Center, Eluru Road. The recipients were touched and overwhelmed receiving such kind of concern and thanked them. Sangha members thank Kalki for this wonderful Seva Bhagya.
क्षीराब्धिशयना नारायण श्रीलक्ष्मी रमणा नारायण क्षीराब्धिशयना नारायण श्रीलक्ष्मी रमणा नारायण नारायण नमो नारायण नारायण नमो नारायण नरहरि रूप नारायण नरहरि रूप नारायण वैकुंठवासा नारायण वैदर्भितनया नारायण वैकुंठवासा नारायण वैदर्भितनया नारायण